All right, this is the Hyperice NormaTec 3 air compression system to help warm up your muscles, to help recovery. I'm testing this out. I've worn them a couple of times, did a ton of research online, and finally decided to pull the trigger on these. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. We're here to post a lot of content about gear reviews, how-tos, you know, just fun stuff we like to do. Let's get on with it. The NormaTec 3 is made by Hyperrice. There are a ton of these on the internet, air compression systems to help you warm up your legs, get ready for races. After all my sleuthing through the internet, reading all of the different reviews there are online from everyone, all these review websites, figured it was time to just buy one, test it out. You know, I've worn them a couple times, really liked them. I have seen a difference, and as I age, I just want to be healthier. And I want to be able to recover faster and go do what I want to do. So let's open these things up and test them out, give you a full overview of what they do. Scientifically proven to reduce inflammation and swelling. It has 7 levels of compression and has what they call zone boost and pulse technology. If you want to know more of the details, because I can't say them all and I don't really know what I'm talking about when I say them, I'm gonna leave them in the link in the description to the Hyperrice website where you can look over all the different things they have. But basically, we're gonna open these up, we're gonna test them out, and show you what it's like. All right, let's open it up. All right, here we go. Every time I try to unbox things like this, it never works. Okay, here we go. Oh no, look at that. A beautiful box. It's like Apple. So the first thing we have right here is this big device. I don't know what you wanna call it. Looks like the computer for everything. Pop that off. It's nice and heavy. Has a nice silicone build and feels like it won't slip out of my hand unless I've been eating a bunch of greasy foods. But I'm gonna take all the stickers off because I don't like to keep the stickers on. Okay, we'll put that on the side right here. Next, leg 1, leg 2, hose. All right, you got the charger, leg 1, leg 2, charger. Directions, but we can figure it out ourselves. And I think that's about it. So let's get into it. All right, so we'll open up leg 1. We got leg 1. We got the charger. Oh. Leg 2. Ooh, fancy. Look at this charger. This is no joke. Get the charger out. We got leg 1, leg 2, the hose, the system thingy, and the charger. That's all it comes with, and it gives you a little one of those little European chargers. Cool. All right, we don't need those. Next, let's put it all together. Seems like it could be pretty simple. Okay, this goes in here. Sounds like it could be breaking, but I'm sure it's not. All right. Okay, pop one of these out. This goes in here. I wonder which leg is which. Here, they feel nice and cozy, like a warm blanket.
Is it heated?
I don't think so. That would be nice. All right, so let's turn it on. So I'm sitting in them right now. We're gonna turn it on. We're about to do the settings right here. You got the time setting, you got a zone boost, which I don't know what that is, but I'll figure it out. The pressure level, which is kind of fun. I'll probably go full pressure to get the full experience here. And legs, hips, or arms, we're gonna go with the legs. Go 30 minutes, now they're filling up. So what I really like about these, what I've noticed right when I put them on is, first off, I feel them going right now. But if you want to look at these sides right here, you have a lot of slots on the side, and I'm guessing that those are for snacks. So after a long run, you know, you can put your goo packs in there, your pro bars, and you can just hydrate. You know, one snack right here, one snack right here, one snack right here. And every couple minutes, you just grab another snack, which is super smart that NormaTec did something like that. As they're getting tighter, I can feel it, obviously. So I'm gonna try to adjust them, pull them up a little bit. It's squeezing really tight in my feet, but not getting my legs yet. We might want to turn the pressure down a little bit before I pass out. It doesn't feel, I wouldn't say it feels good, but it feels like it's healthy, like eating kale. It's really tight, as you can see. Like if I had graham crackers, snacks in here, they would be smashed. No. It's getting really tight, but I'm sure this is part of it, how they wanted it to work. I think if you do this also, it helps with one of the legs. I'd try to put my foot above my heart so I get the elevation. I know that these are really useful with marathon runners. I'm sure they are. I don't have the patience to do marathons, but I do like to do sprinting hikes and fast bike rides and lots of other activities that don't take so long. And these would be perfect for my recovery for that, which is why I like them. And I already feel, it's kind of like a tingling feeling, but it's a good tingling feeling. The material here is like the silicone, so it's really nice feel. It feels really expensive. It feels really nice. You clip these two things into here, you're clipping this into there, It's super easy to transport, and that was one of the reviews I read on this before I bought them, that it would just be easy to transport, easy to use. If you have a race in another state, you can go take them wherever, take them on a plane, super easy. It also has a spot in the back for batteries, which is nice. Okay, 9 minutes in, I've lost the pressure in my feet so I can move the feet around more, and it's squeezing more of the legs. Absolutely no snacks. I really will use these as much as I'm joking around. I think I will, and I think they're great for recovery. I can already feel how it would help. It's kind of giving me like a massage, except it's not massaging me, it's just squeezing me. But the squeezing will help. Oh, I also like at the end, once you're finished, you can do a full zip. You can zip these down and just take them off completely. And so that would help a ton if you are recovering from an injury, an ACL tear, or a sprain or something like that. What I did love is that it has all different levels of pressure. So if you want to go tighter or looser, it just to whatever you think feels best. They are expensive. It's $800 for the NormaTec 3s. They rarely do some sales, but around Labor Day, Black Friday, they always have sales. In summary, I really like the NormaTec 3s. I think that I'll use them a lot for recovery or just to use them, you know, every day. It's kind of fun. It's like getting a little massage. So if you like this review, leave us a like, leave us a sub if you want. We're just gonna come out with more gear reviews, stuff that we like, stuff that, you know, we've wanted to promote for years and want other people to know about, stuff we sell our friends on. So give us a like, give us a sub. Hope to see you back here soon.